Morning, y'all. I just wanted to say good morning. Sorry I look all wretched, but I just woke up a little while ago and I want to show you the garden. It's doing really great, but I have a lot of weeds to work on. So hopefully today, since it's my day off work, I'll be able to get that going. But for now, just gonna enjoy a cup of coffee. I'll give you guys a little look around so you can see what I'm dealing with. See all the weeds in the beds? There's just weeds popping up everywhere. So what I do is I take those two straw bales over there and I pull the tall weeds, but the little ones, I just cover the ground. And it seems to work. But my gosh, those little weeds coming up, it's like little things of grass. It's everywhere. But hopefully I'll get going today with this and see how much I get done. Can't do too much because I got to go back to work tomorrow. So, see? Lots of weeds, lots of weeds. Another problem I'm having is snails. Oh, and there's my new greenhouse. It's looking good. So the old greenhouse, I moved it over here and I'm using it as storage. Like all my garden tools, my little, my garden things are all going in there. And then here, I'll actually be able to use the greenhouse for its actual purpose. So I'm really excited about that. I mean, I haven't done that in years. So, hope y'all are having a great day. We had a great Memorial Day. We just cooked outside and didn't really do anything. I have like a fire pit over here near the garden. So, we did that and it was good. It was good. It was good. So, take care, guys. I'll come back with some kind of update. Plus, on this channel, I'm going to be doing my worm videos on here. I had another worm channel, but it was hard to keep up on both. So I figured I'd just close that one down and just move everything here because I'm more the garden lady than anything. And I'm thinking of just keeping this channel to gardening topics and things like that. All the other crazy shit I do, I might move it to another channel called The Garden Lady Vlogs or something. Because I don't know. I just think that maybe we should stick to the gardening topic. I'll try it and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. God bless.